Hello, this is Bobby at Copel TV Repair, and this is a functionality proof for a mainboard for Vizio 50PB660B-UA. That's a 50-inch TV, and it came up with a broken HDMI connector. It had fallen off, just like they tend to do. There were also scraped components on the back, possibly because of when it fell, possibly because of somebody tried to reinforce the solder joints on the side, whatever the case. But the board was worked on, not majorly that we could tell, but you could never be 100% sure once you see any sign, whether and how much in other places. Even though on small board like that, I mean, the risk is always there, which is why we have that condition. So we told the customers we can try and repair the board, or we can return it to them, and if we repair it, there will be no warranty, except we will show it working. There it is. I'm going to be showing it working. It just turned itself off, probably because of me pushing it back and forth. Now again, you can see many other videos in our YouTube channel on this TV. This is a 60-inch plasma. This is a little hack that allows us to test 50-inch boards on it, so that we don't have to keep, I mean, we already have tens of TVs, and space really does become an issue at some point. And this is why the image that you see, you may or may not see, is not exactly proper. It has those skips lines. That's because it's stretching the image for the larger screen. But you can see that the HDMI is functional. This is our media player that is playing through it. I don't think there will be any problems in the near future with that board, but still, it did come here with clear traces of repair attempts, and the customer was notified and asked for their decision just per the protocol that the listing describes. They will be getting it back, functional as it is. Hopefully that will be unique enough for them to recognize the board. We're going to put a label somewhere here with warranty. Actually, there'll be no warranty, but that should be it. All right, thank you.